Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that can truly transform your Garmin Forerunner 955 Solar, or 745 smartwatch experience. These quick-release replacement bands. From the moment one unboxes them, the quality is apparent. The material feels robust yet flexible, promising both durability and comfort for daily wear and intense workouts alike. The standout feature, without a doubt, is the quick-release mechanism. Swapping out your old band for one of these new ones is an absolute breeze. There's no fumbling with tiny tools or struggling with stubborn pins. A simple slide of the integrated lever, and the band detaches smoothly. Reattaching is just as effortless, clicking securely into place, giving complete confidence that the watch will stay put, whether you're running a marathon or just going about your day. This ease of interchangeability means you can effortlessly match your watch to your outfit or activity, transitioning from a sporty look to something more casual or even formal in mere seconds. Comfort is paramount for a device worn all day, and these bands deliver. The material, often a soft yet resilient silicone or similar composite, sits gently on the wrist, preventing irritation even during prolonged use or sweaty activities. Its flexibility allows for a snug yet non-restrictive fit, which is crucial for accurate heart rate monitoring and overall wearability. The design often incorporates subtle textures or perforations that aid in breathability, reducing moisture buildup and enhancing comfort during those long runs or intense gym sessions. Durability is another key aspect where these replacement bands shine. They are designed to withstand the rigors of an active lifestyle, resisting sweat, water, and daily wear and tear. Whether you're swimming, cycling, or simply navigating your daily routine, these bands maintain their integrity and appearance, proving to be a reliable companion for your high-performance Garmin smartwatch. The secure attachment ensures that your valuable device remains safely on your wrist, no matter how dynamic your movements. For anyone looking to refresh the look of their Garmin Forerunner 955 Solar, or 745, or simply seeking a more comfortable and versatile strap option, these quick-release bands are an excellent choice. They offer a seamless blend of functionality, style, and durability, making them a worthwhile upgrade for any owner of these popular Garmin models. The ability to quickly change bands truly opens up a world of customization, allowing the smartwatch to adapt to any situation or personal preference.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.